This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Alright, I just want to do a little video. It's just standard eggs. This one here's a soft one. I don't know if you can see it. See how I push it in? And these are, just different type of chickens, like different color eggs. These here are from the Red Sex Links. These are from the Easter Egger, the green ones. Leghorns. And then these lighter brown ones are from, the different type of chickens. I just wanted to show you that. A lot of guys don't know. Sometimes they come out like that. The shell's not hard, it's soft. Can you see me pushing it in? So it's, eggs like this, what happens is they step on them, and then they'll be all egg in the nesting boxes, and it gets all over the other ones. But I get them once in a while. Every so often, a chicken will lay an egg like that. Just kind of different. I just figured I'd do a little video on it and show you guys that there's something, huh? How soft it is. I'm just pushing it right in. It's a soft egg, soft shell. It happens once in a while. It doesn't happen all the time. I figured I'd make a cool little video. And obviously, the regular eggs, hard. I do give them extra calcium and stuff in their food. I usually give them oyster shells. I mix oyster shells with their food all the time. The oyster shells, I always mix that with their food, so they got, to be pecking at it to give extra calcium for their egg shells. That's it. Kind of different, huh? Just wanted to do a little video on that. Hello. Hello, Molly. You got a little tail wag? You got your little tail wagging? Oh, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, you got your tail wagging.